Keyword research is an essential component of any successful digital marketing strategy. It involves identifying the specific words and phrases that potential customers are likely to use when searching for products, services, or information related to a particular industry or business. By understanding the keywords that resonate with your target audience, you can optimize your website, content, and advertising campaigns to improve your online visibility, drive organic traffic, and attract qualified leads. Developing an effective keyword research strategy requires a systematic approach. Here are the key steps involved. Define your goals. Start by clearly defining the objectives of your keyword research. Consider factors such as increasing website traffic, boosting conversions, targeting specific demographics, or expanding into new markets. By establishing your goals, you can focus your research efforts on the most relevant keywords. Identify your target audience, understand your ideal customers' demographics, interests, and pain points. This information will help you determine the keywords they are likely to use when searching for products or services like yours. Put yourself in their shoes and brainstorm the words and phrases they might enter into search engines. Use keyword research tools. There are numerous online tools available to aid in keyword research. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Moz Keyword Explorer provide insights into search volume, competition, and related keywords. These tools can help you discover popular and relevant keywords to incorporate into your strategy. Analyze competitors, study your competitors' websites, and identify the keywords they are targeting. This analysis can provide valuable insights and inspiration for your own keyword research. Look for gaps in their strategies that you can exploit by targeting keywords they may have missed. Long-tail keywords. In addition to focusing on broad keywords, consider long-tail keywords, longer and more specific phrases that often have less competition. Long-tail keywords can attract highly targeted traffic and increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages. Evaluate keyword relevance. Not all keywords are equal in terms of relevance to your business. Evaluate each keyword's relevance by considering its search volume, competition level, and alignment with your business goals. Choose keywords that strike a balance between search volume and competition, allowing you to target specific, high-intent keywords. Refine and monitor. Keyword research is an ongoing process. As your business evolves and market trends change, regularly revisit and refine your keyword strategy. Monitor the performance of your chosen keywords and adjust your approach accordingly. By implementing a robust keyword research strategy, Techie Shubdeep IT Solutions Private Limited can position itself strategically in the online marketplace. It can enhance its website's search engine optimization, SEO, create targeted content, and optimize its digital advertising campaigns to maximize visibility, attract qualified leads, and ultimately drive business growth. For more information or assistance, you can contact Techie Shubdeep IT Solutions Private Limited at +9 183052332223 or visit their website at www.techiesgroup.co.in. For inquiries, feel free to reach out to them via email at info@techiesgroup.co.in.